Today we have a BR800 that needs the rewind spring, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. So first you're going to want to take out these 3 bolts right there. Then you have one right there, right back there. So we'll go ahead and take these out. Pull that off. So got it where it's not pulling back in. So I'm try to do this one-handed. And sorry, I'm recording with a phone. I'm gonna try to get a new GoPro soon. So mine broke. So all right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this off out the way. You got a little tab right here. I'll push that out. Pop that out right there. Set this off to the side. So then now you're going to take this and pop this out. So that wasn't supposed to happen. It just blew the whole thing out on me. So be careful of that. Yeah. So just throw that off to the side because you're replacing it. Anyways, so I'll get your new one. You got this whole piece here. Take that out, set it off to the side. So here's your new one here. You can get everything out the way here. Go ahead and pull it out. I don't know if anybody needs a part number for it, but this is for the BR800 with the side start option. Alright, so you got your new one. You're going to put it in here just like this. Alright, so now that you got it in here, got it all pushed down, seated in, you're going to take this piece here and line up that little notch right there with that little nipple sticking off right there. So go ahead and put that on. There we go. Just like so. Then you're going to have this piece go back on. Like that. Then you're going to put this piece back on right here. It's going to go just like that. So just like so. Just like that. So give me a minute while I put that on. Alright, now that you got that on, you can see how that works. Just like that. Then all you're going to do is wind this up. So, for those of you that don't know, this little notch right here is where you put your string. That way you can wind it around without it getting caught up and tangled, everything. So, you're going to wind it a couple times till it gets tight. And then you're good to go. So just hold on while I get that. Then it should be looking something like this. So you just got to make sure you feed it through this little pulley system right here. Get it all back in that. Now it'll pull if I can get the camera where you can see it. So yep, that's basically it there. That's how you do that. It's nothing crazy. It's not terribly hard. So if you need to learn how to fix your side start pull cord on your BR800, this is how you do it. So y'all like and subscribe, and see you on the next round.